So we actually offer 2 different types of mechanical exfoliation here. One of them is microderm and the other one is our dermaplane. So dermaplane and microderm are very similar as far as they are both mechanical exfoliants. So microderm is generally safe for all skin types. Anyone can have one done. There's little to no downtime associated with it, which makes it another great treatment. You can use it to treat fine lines, some wrinkles. You can use it to treat dryness, rough, kind of textured skin. Overall, we're looking to just kind of improve textural impurities, though you can sometimes notice that it may help with overall pigmentation and even sometimes redness, and those fine lines may soften immediately after microderm. But those results are temporary, so it is more so results looking to hold for about 2 to 4 weeks after each treatment.